Hey guys, it's March 9th, 2021. It's roughly 9:15 Eastern, so let's take a look at how Nano Dimension traded today. Just a reminder, guys, I'm not a financial advisor or professional trader. I'm just a guy sharing his thoughts on how he trades and what he looks at. All right, so today, pre-market, the market was looking a lot better for everyone. Um, the stock pretty much opened up with a gap with a resistance around 850. So it continued to press on and try to ride up along this GAN line until opening bell, which is what we thought would happen. And then here in this GAN angle right here, that's when it was able to reach, this cluster, price cluster. That's when it actually was able to go up higher on the GAN angles. So it rode around for a bit with a support around 915. So, and kind of channeled around between 945 and 915 until it was able to break out late afternoon to 974. And then there was a huge wall around 961. And another big wall here around 975-ish area. So we finished pretty strong today. It seems to have done well. So let's see if hopefully we'll see a continuation on the pattern tomorrow with it riding up this GAN angle. I believe we have a resistance at around $10. I may have accidentally moved this, but I imagine it's around $10. And with that, the volume pretty much traded a little higher than normal. It was 36 million to 33 versus 33 million average. So that's a good sign. And well, right now we don't really, because of the exchange being closed and we don't have much. I don't have really much data to show you up to for tomorrow. But I remember that there was quite a bit of a wall around $10. That would be the next one. So hoping to get some volume and move on to that higher price point. All right, so as far as the MACD goes and the RSI, let's take a look at that. So the MACD is looking pretty fair still. It is starting to curve a little bit downward. Or horizontal. We're not that far off of the MACD itself as far as the baseline, and we're almost at the peak of what it normally does, unless it decides to go for a bull run, which the signal can go as high as 1.03. Currently, right now, we're at 0.41. But we are also high on the RSI on a 1 hour frame, which is around 68. So roughly around 70. So that's kind of in an oversold territory. So we're hoping to see, a bullish run. Just for everyone to know, a bullish run, the RSI is going to ride high. Because it's just the price just keeps going up and up and up for an extended period of time. So that's to be expected. So just because the RSI is that high doesn't mean that it'll come back down right away. I'm looking for it to push up to 10 and then hopefully go up higher from there. So on the daily time frame, we are starting to point upward and 41 for the RSI, so we're doing pretty good in terms of the indicators, the two main indicators I use, which is the MACD and the RSI. And those are, right out of the box kind of configuration. I did not change the intervals on it. All right, so just to look at the price action. We'll look at the MA. So you can see here, it was riding along this this MA here. I imagine it's not the 5-minute. Let's see if it was going around 2 or 3. So the time scale looked like it was playing under, would be roughly the 2-minute scale. Okay, so that's the thing that you guys want to also look at if you're new to trading and looking how to use be effective. You want to find the time scale that is actually trading on and that it bounces on the most. From here, it looks like the 2-minute time scale as it rides along this MA9 and the MA21, which is the purple here. One of the other indicators that you guys want to definitely look at is the VWAP. The VWAP is an intraday volume moving average to price. So it is the rule of thumb basically is if it's trading above the VWAP, it will continue to be bullish, and if it's below it, it will continue to be bearish. So that's kind of a very fast indicator to indicate where the price is headed to. Alright, so tomorrow I'm hoping that we'll ride along this Gann line and then make it up to the $10 mark. And then from there, we'll see how the market opens and see if it's kind to us and let us have another green day. So just be careful, guys. I know that, let's take a look at this in the trading view version, that, this maybe the first green day we've had in a long time, and just be careful because this could be one of those bull traps where we rise a little bit and then it continues to fall down to 621. Okay, so I'm hoping that won't happen according to this, but you just gotta want to keep an eye on that because it went straight down. There's not a bump going up and then coming down, so it just went straight down. So just keep an eye on that. Just a reminder also, we have the earnings release for Q4 2020. So that is going to be this Thursday, pre-market. So just keep an eye on that. And then the other item, there is no new news. There's basically just old news of Kathy Woods sharing her views on Nano Dimension, basically, indicating they used to just be a general 3D company and now they've broadened their market and that they're in the defense industry space. So, and she indicated, just keep an eye on, they keep a very close eye out on companies that deal with the defense because of, their very large budgets. As far as ARK goes, they have not made any investments towards additional purchases to NNDM. As you can see here, there is no NNDM listed here. So so Kathy Woods is not buying any more of it right now. So we'll just have to wait and see. Hopefully, we may hear word once the new space exploration ETF comes online. Alright guys, other than that, just happy trading. Just keep an eye out for within the next couple of days till the end of this week, whether this is just a reversal, and but it may keep continuing going back down from the overall trend. So just keep that in mind. For those who who trade intraday, it might be best if you use your stop losses appropriately. That way you're not holding the bag and be able to re-enter at that 650 area if it does decide to go down. I'm hoping we're not going to do that, but it all depends upon how the market is, and it's been kind of fickle right now. So, all right, guys. Other than that, hopefully we'll see the upside to $10 and go from there. All right. Have a good night. Happy trading. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and click on the alert icon, so that way you get notified when I release them. Because I try to do these as soon as possible for the next day trading information. Alright guys, take care. Have a good night. Bye.